When it's time to clear up the clutter on your desk, office, or other places where things just accumulate, reach for the original VELCRO Brand Sticky Back fasteners. Available in coins, squares, tapes, and strips, these versatile fasteners are ready to help you tackle your organizational projects. They're ideal for smooth surfaces and come in a range of colors. VELCRO Sticky Back fasteners are ready for whatever project you can dream up. If you've got items you need to secure, then access, then secure again, these fasteners are ready for the job. You can refasten them up to 1,000 times thanks to VELCRO brand woven technology. When you need to hide it, store it, or organize it, use VELCRO brand Sticky Back fasteners.